Bazali bami zitho, welcome to Umgosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umgosi wethu namhlanje bazali bami zitho, it is about yesterday's episode of Uthando Nesithembu. You know guys, now I understand ukuthi why indaba ye-unity kaMseleku istress uMseleku kangaka. So yesterday's episode guys, ubokulo ilanga elikhulu ebesilindele sonke. Umusa Mseleku bomela introduce wife number 5 to umndeni wakhe, and bukulapho khona azoyenza umsebenzi wokubonga officially shilo mina on the last week video that I do understand ukuthi if ushaye istroke vele mele wenza umsebenzi wokubonga ithonga lokuthi ubuyile emhlabeni, especially if you believe in your ancestors guys. And so umusa Mseleku on bayivela lapho uyaya ke emsamo wabo uyobonga ithonga ukuthi umsebenzi ubuyile emsebenzini, and uyabapromise ukuthi no umsebenzi enangilethela wona emhlabeni or umsebenzani igift nani yona ngizochubeka ngilapha abantu, because kuyasho ukuthi umusa bekane bandla isipho uNkulunkulu nabantu bakuba abalala bamupha sona, bekane sonto and abantu bakuba bafuna ukuthi asize abantu. So into ukuthi umusa Mseleku makakhulu izinto ziba yiningi wa decide uyiyeka, and ithonga lakhe or abantu bakuba abalala abajabulelanga leyo nto leyo. So one thing mina oqala engayinotice engeke ngayisho even nangomshado kaMakhumalo ukuthi abafazi bakaMusa Mseleku even if they fight abakwazi lamele bangalwa khona. And believe me when I say this thing ikhozi nje mele liye libatshengisa ukuthi know what la nishadile, and say as much as uzalwe kayeni la sikayeni kaMseleku angi-understand ukuthi umyeni wakho angathi ayemsamo ayobika emsamo ayobonga whatever ayobonga emsamo akumemile akutshelile ngomsebenzi ungayi. That is disrespect guys. You know that I love Mayeni, but what Mayeni did izolo, it is disrespect. So that means utshengisa uMseleku ukuthi no mina ngisuwakini. So why bakhalela ukushadwa mangabe bona abafuni ukwenza into zenziwa kaMseleku? Mina ngazi ukuthi mangabe masowushadile so umuntu wako loyo musi loyo awusavote yini, so umuntu wako loyo musi loyo. So mina ngi-understandanga ukuthi uMayeni uMangwabe noMakhumalo why bangayanga emsamo noMusa Mseleku, because ngicabanga ukuthi ayikho into emhlabeni ezoyenza ukuthi unga-attend into yomndeni. Into yenza even nasemsebenzini kwakho mangabe kunomsebenzi uyabatshela uyayithatha ilifu batshothi kwami senza umsebenzi. Ayikho into ezokumeya endleleni ukuthi ungayi emsamo umyeni wakho maka emsamo. And angiyazi mina yiliphi lezwi abalifundayo or iBhayibheli abalifundayo or abafundisi isonto abalihambayo lele lithi emzini kwakho la uganele khona mangabe kunomsebenzi wena uhambi loyo msebenzi loyo, especially if umsebenzi oyenzwa umama zala wakho ubaba zala wakho umyeni wakho, ngoba kuloyo mndeni lapha kaMseleku balethe umusa. So mangabe bona bazophusha into ukuthi bona abayenzi into yama ancestors basho ukuthini, because mina ngibelieve mawushanga babe ushadele la khona mhlambe bakhonzeza yona nawe mele ukhonzeza yona. If ekumkhweni bakho basonta ephakameni mele usonte lapho, yile nto thina siyaziyo, but sabantu asibelieve entweni efanayo. Mara angi-understand mina abafundisi bamanje or abafundisi baphusha liphizwi ngoba thina sazi ukuthi inhloko yasekhaya mangabe ikhonzeza yona wonke umuntu haka amatorikisi, wonke umuntu uya ezayona. So abantu bakaMseleku, that's one thing engibonile ukuthi kaMseleku unit ayikho. I don't know whether they are pushing content, but the content that they are pushing izoyehlisa isidima sakaMseleku, ngoba kusho ukuthi uMseleku labafazi bayamhlula if uzothi ayenza uMseleku uzoyenza umsebenzi wakaMseleku wokubonga uGogo Flow which is umamazala wabo bona bangayi lapho kuloyo msebenzi. That's one thing engayilayikanga engayithandanga episode yayizolo, and that's one thing engizoyinika uMacele one guys angaba nento zakhe kodwa uMacele uMseleku uyamsupport, and uMacele I think uMseleku mele ahle abheke lesigaba lezi lokukhulumela uMakhumalo mele kujika kakhulumela uMacele and aphathe uMacele njengoqueen, ngoba uMacele noma ngabe angaphikisana naye kodwa into makasayenza especially into yokuthi avala uhlazo uyakwazi ukolivala uhlazo. You understand? Abaqala ukuyenza ke abantu bakaMseleku lento labafazi khosikazi kaMseleku naye Macele njengoba sengimkhulumela wathi uMakhumalo ashada bahlekisa uMakhumalo ngezwe azange baye emshadweni amakhumalo for their own reasons. That means bona imfihlo yala endlini bayakwazi ukuyitshengisa izitha. It's easy kusho ukuthi kaMseleku kungaba lula nje ukuthi uchakaze lamusi enemy uchakaze lamusi because bayasitshengisa ama witnesses wabo. You understand? So then kwavela another nto whereby uMseleku ukufike abantu basekhaya kubo, and lapho kumele khona introduce number 5. So I guess uMseleku umamelile uMakhumalo, uMseleku washo ukuthi anyeke number 5 aze angene egcekeni uzohlanganela ngaphandle of which angi-understand ukudelela number 5 or uhlonipha amakhosikazi wakhe. I don't know, because uMseleku lapha kukubo bakangayenza lento ya number 5 okufaka number 5 ngoba anyway sekamlobolile musi bangayenza into number 5 athi ofuna ukuza makethe ongafuna akafuni. You understand? So angi-understand ukuthi wayemele umntana abantu abonelwe ngaphandle. Angazi, yazi angazi. But-ke udecide ukusho kanjalo. Ubhuti kaMseleku-ke, ayazi abanye abantu abayazi indawo yabo. Ubhuti kaMseleku wasukuma wathi yena akayiboni isidingo sokuthi uMseleku akhulumela amakhosikazi wakhe and akanasiciniseko sokuthi lento eshiwo uMseleku iyiqiniso. To me lento le bengitshengisa ukuthi kusho ukuthi yena udelela uMseleku into ayishoyo kakhe ubona ngathi uMseleku ayikho. Wathi yena ufuna amakhosikazi mawazikhulumela. Unkosikazi oqala usukumile uMakhumalo ushilo ukuthi no baba ukhuluma iqiniso and uMangwabe guys yabona uMangwabe one thing about Mangwabe uyayazi into emela ayikhulume ngesikhathi kumele asikhulume leyo asimnikeni shem. Mangabe washo ukuthi ubaba Shilo ucela ukuthi bamamela ubaba unumber 5 ayobonelwa ngaphandle. Umayeni-ke naye wasukuma wathi ucela nje into eshiwo uBhuti Vuyile. Engathi uBhuti wakhona-ke uBhuti Vuyile ucela amamela umyeni wabo since abona isimo samyeni wabo makangachathi as much as i-come as if uya-disrespect ne and nami as I feel as if bangamelanga ayisho phakathi kwabantu but ukhuluma into ene-point because akusizi ukuthi uBhuti lo achathi uMseleku namakhosikazi wakhe. uMseleku sekayishilo i-reason ukuthi amakhosikazi wakhe they are divided into 2 futhi they are no longer divided into 2. That means i-ratio yabo is 3:1 because laba abayi-3 basamfuna unumber 5. Angithi noMakhumalo sakawela kubo Mangwabe then uMacelo uyi-1 uyamfuna unumber 5. So ushilo umayeni ukuthi ucela nje ukuthi ucela hlonipha umusa Mseleku uBhuti Vuyile kuyobonela unumber 5 ngaphandle ngoba indaba ka-number 5 bona abayazi. And that thing guys it shows another thing ukuthi they are not united and uMseleku-ke washo ukuthi before yena nefamily yakhe they are not close because bakhona abantu abamdlela umona nani. Yeah, understand sebatshengisa abanye abantu emndenini ukuthi isithembu sikaMseleku asibambananga. That's one thing engifika ngathi umayeni bawamelanga ayisho. Bokumela nje asho ukuthi asithini Bhuti Vuyile ngicela nimamela ubaba as inhloko yalomuzi. Ngicela nomithi number 5 ngaphandle sizolandela thina and mina kulesasima lona la even if umayeni bangangamfuni number 5 kodwa nje for isidima sendoda yabo bokumele baye lapha bambone number 5 bayimele eceleni babuye bonke ku-celebrate okuphelele then okunye nokunye sokuzokhulunywa after bamtshele kusasa ukuthi hayi mbhemi kodwa uyadlala ngathi. You understand? God, so I think into emele bayilungise kaMseleku ile nto leyo ukuthi omuntu nomuntu afuna uveza uhlazo lomunye umuntu. That is not family guys. Mase family ebantwini sipretend engasazwana bese sizocorrectana la endlini ukuthi hayi kodwa le uyenzayo Makhumalo ayikho right. Understand? But that is all for now. Bazalwa mzi, so please comment down below your thoughts and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Inithanda ukuya nokubuya.